Earlier we have seen how we have created our Hello app and to print it in our web page with some logos and pictures. So today we'll move towards the class-based components. We have done only with the function-based component, and now it's time to learn with the class-based component. So let's begin. Open our VS Code. Okay. So this one is the previous one we have done here. I will remove this all. In the Hello app only we'll modify our app. Okay. So let's move. Just follow the scheme. First I will show a small example using the class-based component. So here is the syntax. Class. So to use the class-based component, we have to write here class app extends react dot component, and under this here will be a render, which will render the page, and there will be the return type. This is open, close. See, the main difference between the class-based and function-based component is, if we use here the function-based component, then there will be no render. Okay. If you want, you can check the previous videos. There is no render. Only writing here function app open braces open close, curly braces open close, then return. Then inside the return we're doing our work. But here we'll write render. Then inside the render there will be return. Then in the return we'll do our work. So this is the main difference between class-based component and function-based component. Okay. So just simply write some in here. One. Hello. Sun. Okay. And at the end we have to write export. If there is import, there will be export. Okay, let's save it and see. Oh, we have to start our app here. npm start. Let's see what happens. It will automatically open your browser. Oh, so I've got an error. What? Oh, I have not given a space here. App extends. This will be the same. Let's see. Yes. See, we have done the same work with the class-based component. Okay. So now you can understand the basic difference between the class-based component and function-based component. So let's move towards our main project. To create a simple to-do app. So as I told earlier that I will end the ReactJS series by creating a to-do app. So let's build it. So today our work is to create a to-do app. Just follow the screen and do the same thing in your computer. Otherwise you can't follow. Okay, so let's start. I will insert a logo here, the previous one only, channel logo. I'm writing this. What's my name? And I have to access the app.css file. Again, we have to write this app.css. Okay, we have written our header files. Now class using the class-based component. Expense. Yeah. So inside this we're writing the constructor props. Is the properties props. In super it also properties. This dot state. Just write it. I will tell all the things after finishing. Okay. New item. Now will be here. This, will we have construct our app. Super props. Okay. Okay. Now in a to-do app, what we'll do? We add things and again deleting that. We write something. There will be an add button. We'll just click it and text will be added in your web page. And again, if we want to remove it or delete it, there will be a delete option beside the text. We'll click the delete. Again, it will be deleting. This is the work of this to-do app. So we'll do that only. Now we'll write a syntax to which will add the items. So we'll give this name only add item to do value if is not equals to this, then constant new item data now what can I have here data now. Okay, please friends just follow the screen and do it in your own computer, otherwise you will not understand. I know at the first it will be difficult to understand. You will think what is this, what I am writing, but after practicing and knowing some much details, you will understand what is this, what is the work of this. Okay. Set state. This is a very important thing. Hmm. Now this adding the item, the part is done here. This is the code which will add the text. And now we have also, as we had, we have also to delete item. So we can delete, make another file to delete the item. ID. This dot state dot filter. Actually, this filter, this is mainly used in a JavaScript. So if you know JavaScript, then it will be much helpful to you. Okay. And if you don't know, then no problem. Just see it. I know at the first it will be very hard to understand, but keep practicing. When it will be familiar to you, the code will be familiar to you, then it will seem to you very easy. updated list. Okay. Now we have to update the neighborhood. Let's actually update our input. Then here comes the rendering part. So let's just write the code. Image. Let's see. Here only we will adjust our logo height and width. Okay, you can do it in the CSS app.css also, but I will do it here. It's your wish. So writing this. This will adjust the size of the logo. We will give a class name. Class name is equals to logo. We will add our this. Okay, like that. TODO app. Which one? Okay. Then everything will be on there. And it is here. We will take it here. Text. Whatever people are giving, they are giving text. That's why this type is text. Very normal type is text. Okay. It will also give our last name. Last name into place. Placeholder. Right here. No. We apply a treat here. We usually use required value. This code as a is really required. Otherwise do not work. This set change. You guys will think what I am writing, but I have nothing to do. This is only the syntax. So you have to write it and make it with a practice. Then it will in your control. Okay. Without doing it on your own, you are not able to understand a single thing. So repeatedly, I am telling you, do the same thing on your computer. Okay. On click, we have added here a button and giving condition that on click, what it will do. Let's write it. This dot on click, it will add the items. we'll call it call. We have earlier made that add item, this function. We have earlier made add item function, and in the under the render we are calling the add item function. That's simple. Easy. Next, we open first list. So we will write this one. This map. Using this dual using from the JavaScript language. Put checkbox. We're going to checkbox here. Then ID done. Then it is checked. Then what is not. Dot is okay. And on change to do. And this button on a particular simply delete it. Delete item. So to call as delete again. This dot delete or delete item function button here again to delete the items. Button. Type checkbox. Nothing. So keep it done. I think was nothing. So keep it done. This is not something like this. Right clicking on delete button. Okay. Allow. Okay, we have successfully built our app. Here you can see. Okay, let's save it and run it. Oh, there is some error. Extend. I have right. Extend. How? It will be extend. Okay, save it one more. Let's see. Successfully done, but here is an error. Oh, I forgot to write export. I told you if you don't write this, then it will show an error and it will fail to compile. So you have to write it. Default app. Okay, let's save it again. It successfully compiled, no errors. Let's go to and see here. We have got our web page and successfully build our app. So let's check it is working or not. Say hello. I want to add hello. at this. So one learn ReactJS with Sam. Oh, that is also. So I have written here not possible to delete. You can see this in the base code. We'll see it. Not possible to delete. I have written this. I have written because I have manually added it, and it is really not possible to delete. Let's check it. See, I'm pressing the deleting option, clicking the deleting button, but it is not deleting. But if I click that here, it will delete. See, not delete. University. Oh, that it. See, it is adding. So guys, today's video up to this only. I think you came to understand how the React is working, how the things are deploying in the web page, and all other things. In the next video, we'll learn how to make our web page more attractive, colorful with the help of CSS. We'll do the work here. Okay, in the next video. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you.